So to the Jamaican people, man, help me understand. So Andrew Holness and his team said that they spent $225 million on food and care packages for the people. Help me understand this. Where the hell they sending them food go? Are they sending the food to a different country? Because ain't nobody received none of that. What? And then there's people right now that actually believe that because they put that on the government website. So people believe that. Man, if you ask me, Jamaican people are getting weak. The Jamaican people are getting weak. They're getting weak. You know what I'm saying? How the heck do you guys have this guy still in position? That don't make no sense to me. You guys are getting weak. You guys are getting weak. How is he still in this position? This man came out, or have his team came out and said, hey, we spent $225 million on food and care packages for the people. Who is receiving all that? It must be a different country, because Jamaica ain't received a dime off that. This is crazy right now. Man, that country is going down the drain. That country is going down the drain. That country is turning into a dirt. Jamaican people, y'all better wake up. Y'all better wake up.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel once again. My name is Brian Reaction. So guys, if you're coming across this video for the first time now, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. So I have a video today. I love seeing such videos like this. They make me so happy. You know, as I always say, if we don't stand up, if we don't speak, no one is coming to save us. No one. If we don't come out and tell these people that they're not doing the right thing, no one is coming to save us. So in this video, Jamaicans have come out online, you know, to try and correct the system. Jamaicans are tired because they trusted their leader with office, but sadly he has failed them completely. So Jamaicans have come out so many in this viral video. I want you to watch this video until the end, see how Jamaicans came out online to complain how their PM is running the system, and I'll be back with a few reactions.
Yeah, my people, bless up on yourself again. Yeah, and hear the voice behind me and my husband go and make a video, see it. Yeah, man. We have to talk reality, people. You understand? Because whole heap of Jamaicans sit behind like them an idiot. You understand? And them when enough of we are suffer and I go through the struggles, them come like them blind, bro. You see me I say? Sometimes I don't like we are protest war, but we have to do it, bro. Because as some right now for the government, we not see what him do for we. Now the people them right now. You see like down in Sri Lanka, how people them come out and war them out. They come like we in Jamaica, we need to do this. We need to do like Sri Lanka people them. War them out. Go at the station them and war them and say, yo, I'm telling you something. I better we want for the country. Better for the people them. You say if we can't get better, you have to step down. No joke about this. You see me I say? I be a fool she's going right now in our country, bro. And this is not the time about politics. This is the time for the people them. We country mash up, we need to fix it back. We need to come together and unite. There is no unity in this country, you know. There is no unity. But it's because Jamaican people, them are stupid. Them not have much sense. Them rather sit behind the desk and act like them not have no sense. And them know the truth and I pretend like them don't know the truth. Them a suffer and pretend like them not suffer. Them a go through some wicked things and them a behave like, oh, it's all well, it's all good. We need to wake up and open up with eye. So if we don't sleep, we don't need to wake up. If we not blind, we don't need to ask God to open the eye and go about the vision them we not have. Because we don't need to open up on our eyes and see what happened to the country. Eh? But no, it's still about die-hearted this and die-hearted that. And us say the country are go down more and more. And us say we are go down. We are go down. Down we are go. We're not coming up. We are going down. And we are blind. We are stupid. Right? Only can't take handout just so, and the country a wreck. We country a wreck. Only need to stop play fool and stop know the truth and hide it. Stop know the truth and behave like, oh, you don't know the truth and know so what is going on is stupidness. If everybody come out and look up on the government and look up on the whole of them and tell us, we not do a stupid thing, we not go on with, they have to do it. And if we decide so we are going to protest against them, they have to step down. But not for we're afraid. I am not afraid. We have to stand up for the truth. We have to stand up. We have to fight for our rights. Jamaica, we need to fight for our rights and stop act like we are stupid. We are not stupid. Other country can fight for them rights while we can't fight for our rights. We need to get up and stop fight against one another. Stop grudge one another, stop bad man one another, stop watch what one another have. And fight for our rights, bro. We country are going down and that we need to look on. We country is going down. We are going down. We need to rise up and we need to open up with eye people. Open up on the eye, no man. If we not sleep, wake up, man. A time for we wake up. A time for we wake up now. Too much is going on here. Other countries stand up and a fight for their country. While we can't fight for our country, we need to fight for our country. We need to stand up and fight for our right. And if everybody come out and determine, say, yes, we are going to fight for our right. If Jamaica determine, say, yo, we are going to fight for our right. The 14th parish decides so we are fight for our right. We have to get justice here, so we have to get our right. But, some of them still sit behind the desk acting like they don't have no sense. They're stupid. They're blind. Because of what? Handout. We don't love on belly too much. We don't have sweets. When someone come like a crab in a barrel and shit in a plate. Our country is sinking. We are sinking. And only the grace of God I keep we and I guide you right now. And our Father God open up our eyes so we have to realize what is going on. Some of us still act like we don't know what's going on. We still act like we're blind against this thing. We need to stand up for our right. We need to fight for our right now. We can't sit down and behave like we don't have no sense. We need to fight for our right. A time for we fight for our right. Jamaican people, wake up. We need to wake up and fight for our right. It's time for us to fight for our right. We could go there like an army, anything for tick and machete, everything. We could go there. We need to fight for our right. We need to do that. I make them sister Jamaica serious. We're serious now. Enough is enough. We need to fight for our right, people. We can't sit back and lay back and just sit down just so. Children are suffer. Old people are suffer. Baby mother they suffer. Everybody out there suffer. We need to fight for our right. We need to stand up. And go out there. Everybody still so. We need to go there and tell we say yo, we are go out there. Just like when we did there, we say yo, we are go there, go search for the little youth. We need to come together and tell we say yo, we are go there, go protest against this. We need to get up and do this. We can't make them come mash up a country. Jamaica is a nice place, bro. We can't make them come mash up Jamaica. We need to fight for our right. We need to step out. At full time for we step out now. We need to get up.
Daryl Vaz, you may come about today. Daryl Vaz. 4 different portfolio you control in the ministry, you know. 4 different portfolio. 1 MP of 4 different portfolio. To the rest of MP them. Then on education. Or then on a farmer sense of, you know, how to deal with all these other rest of portfolio. This 4 portfolio where Daryl Vaz alone have. Come on, Daryl Vaz. Daryl Vaz is Ministry of Energy, Ministry of Science, Ministry of Telecommunication, and Ministry of Transport. You tell me now, not in this planet here one man can manage so much portfolio and the country run good. And the country become a better, not even country, the island run good. Because we can't mix up country with the island. And one of the things I've been saying about Daryl Vaz, from the hurricane hit, the geostorm hit until now, Daryl Vaz, I run, and I try to see if we can outrun Andrew Wellness. Remember me telling you that Daryl Vaz have a plan, and the plan with Daryl Vaz, he might go self-destruct. Because here we go on with Daryl Vaz and JPS. That me really come about today. Daryl Vaz and JPS, them have big ties. Big ties. Daryl Vaz a deal with energy. Daryl Vaz have link for crude oil. Daryl Vaz have link for all of the supply to JPS. So Daryl Vaz have a big stake round a JPS. So here we go on now. Daryl Vaz, JPS out to lose them license because JPS them a criminal. Because with JPS them a take the money, rob the people them, blind at Jamaica. I know all one man a pay 800,000 of light bill a month time, you know. One virgin me know. 800,000 a month time the man a pay for light bill. So what JPS I don't know. JPS and Daryl Vaz them come up with a scheme because you see Daryl Vaz a jump round and a hop and a skip and a try find some loophole for to take some of that money there. Because first as the hurricane drop the next day, Daryl Vaz and Mackenzie, so them a set up hurricane committee, and June Wallace hoof them and tell them say not a backside. Up a OPM that I go. So that piece that scheme there jump out of Daryl Vaz and so Daryl Vaz a find some way to make piece of food. Believe you me. Because Daryl Vaz a carry feelings from the election, you know, from Daryl Vaz wife lose, Daryl Vaz a carry feelings for Jamaica. Believe you me. And so Daryl Vaz, if we not stop Daryl Vaz and I'm track him, I go mash up Jamaica. Him I go be the one who mash up Jamaica. Yeah, so Daryl Vaz bring in Bill Clinton them. Daryl Vaz liquid with JPS to try to take a 350 million US dollar and then boil it down to 150 and because and say yo things are catch up on them and them have to get a piece of food before the whole house tumble down. So Daryl Vaz tell JPS here you go on. We work with the 150 million US and what we are going to do, we are going to extend on the contract because you are the contract now going to able pay back that loan there within the next 2 years because in the idea we are going to lose the contract. JPS is going to lose the contract. So that's the scheme to get back JPS in the ball game. Because once JPS have that money for Jamaica will probably think twice to make JPS go. Because if JPS go, then the money will just gone right. The money will just slide right under the carpet and disappear. So that's the big scheme with Daryl Vaz and JPS. JPS gonna come the next 2 years and tell them, listen to it. We cannot pay off the loan right now because things have worked out with the electricity and we have to pay off all of the money and to get back the electricity restore. So at the end of the day, we're gonna need some more time. So if we renew the contract, we get more time to move forward and pay under the money. So Bob, that contract gonna renew and guess what? JP is gonna here. I'm gonna be here for a long time. And milk. Yo, they're gonna suck the titty dry. Entire JPS done in Jamaica because Daryl Vaz is the kingpin behind this whole thing. And as me I tell you, it's Daryl Vaz a 10 step and journalist Daryl Vaz there, you know. Because Daryl Vaz want the prime ministership. Okay, so people, as me I tell you now, you see, if the Jamaican citizen don't get them act together and jump out and try to make some noise and serious noise regarding what's going on in Jamaica, even with Daryl Vaz and JPS. And I heard another thing that Daryl Vaz gonna try see if he can get another extra amount of billions, because him say the wire them when the light connected, they're gonna do some extra. They're gonna do some extra testing on the wires them that go to community and go to household to ensure that those wires don't have short circuit. And you tell me now, what kind of scheme that? If JP is gonna do the job, they do the job good and done. All the piece of money they'll come in and all them try put in the next piece of money there. Boy, I tell you, people, let me tell you, we need to get our hearts together. And don't wait until our back is against the wall and try to fight. Because this thing gonna get serious. Because Daryl Vaz and them is pure badness them I deal with. Okay? So my people, listen out. The next time I come around, I'm not gonna thank me if you don't act now. Because I'm saying Daryl Vaz is 10 step on journalists, and Daryl Vaz want the government ship. And they might try overthrow on journalists. Because at the end of the day, and journalists have to go. So, make you see it go work out. And people, please like, subscribe and share. Because the next episode, I'm going to talk about a compound. So stay tuned, my people.
All who have children, please to listen carefully to this video from the start to the end. Because when you have your pitney, and your pitney see somebody eat, and the pitney go there, go stand up or sit down and draw near to the person who eat, slap it out of them. Slap it out of them from early. Anybody where me offend another video, you're sorry, because some man on a skull thick and I brought the pitney them bad. That's why a man draw them when I go body them off a little and nothing. They boy and they little girl. Teach on a pitney them to stop see people and them. That's why I come in and yam this now. Alright? One look a pitney come here, so see me? See me? See me? Now taking eye for me and yam, you know. That is a signal the child is sending that he wants some of what the adult is eating. So if the adult want to take away that child and body him and body her off, what the adult do is say, come here. Come with me and me give you one little piece. And in time go finger and body. If a little girl, you finger cut the throat and maybe strangle them to death. Stop on your children from doing that. Even at home, don't let them do it at home either. Because it start from at home. The bigger sister or the bigger brother will eat something, or the auntie or the uncle, and them they go stand up and laugh on skin on teeth and think it's a good thing. And they go outside in the public with it just the same. It starts from home. It starts from in the home. Anybody can't mistake pan, sorry. And if you learn for grown up in them good, teach them not to go stand in front of people and beg with their eyes and their nose and their mouth and their fingers. Because then if you say, miss me, I beg you some, them that yeah, I do the begging. Them I do the begging. Just, it's called lusting for food. Just like if a big man see somebody and yam something and they mean him look round so. Me then a boss already and me and yam Kentucky. One big woman on the bus. And then my mensch just a steer upon me and yeah. Me know so she wants some. Me just offer her some. The eye is a way of begging, lusting after the food. Just like when a man see a girl and her body look good, I must stop steer upon her because he would want to say something to her. It's you said looking at the thing mean you want the thing. You're admiring the thing. So is it you're looking out and say, boy, are you, yeah, but you're constantly staring at the thing. Somebody is eating and you sit down staring at them. Whether you're an adult or you're a children, you want some of it. And you draw a little near upon the seat. It's just the truth. Broke it out of them from early. Because even the family member them at the yard for the food too. Teach the little girls them and the little boys them. Because they do it to both girls and boys. So I can't leave out nobody. I have to speak for both girls and boys. Teach them not to beg people anything. Teach them not to take anything from people. Sometimes the family member them at the yard off. I give them sweet and I give them food and I give them money. And the next thing again, do not trust your family member with your pitney. Because oftentimes, your own family are them. So if you have a little girl, don't left him with your brother, don't left him with your uncle, don't left him with your, not even if own papa you can't leave him with sometimes because the one of daddy have to. So their son, they may give him a little word of advice because some still need it because he's fool. Stupid to know how to grow a child. When we as a little girl and when before mother going to carry the carry back at him. If I wash dirty clothes, my mother used to wash people dirty clothes. And sometimes soap water will splash up in our face. People them dirty clothes water. Because I put with the stuff to sit down. Can't no pitney we don't know. Tap left them with the family. My family member them a finger them up. And I suck them pussy clit. Because sometimes they can't manage them when they do them play use them penis and play with them pitney them pokey. So they not have to penetrate them, you know. And they never go bust them up. So they do them say, come for the sweetie. Come for the bread with the butter. Come for that. Come gonna give you $100 and they put them for lie down. And then use them penis and jerk off. And them suck it. Teach no people not to beg, not to go in front of people when them are yam and steer upon people. Teach them do not leave them with a family member, not let them with nobody, don't trust people with your children. Teach them about the good touch and the bad touch. Teach your children about the good touch and the bad touch. So them know these things. Teach them about the good touch and the bad touch. Question them. No left them with, if you're picking up big enough when you can't talk, that is the time when you have to be extra careful because you can't talk to explain yourself yet. Because even some of we are big woman, we can't explain the them are alive. So imagine the little baby them when they can't explain themselves. When you don't push cocky in their mouth and all part. Because you don't have to penetrate them, you know. Then give them all them body for suck. And so if you suck this, me give you this and that. You're not a pervert out there. Mothers. And stop giving man them the girl putting them for beard. So my time they look up putting them off. And the devil just rob them because them too see it fat, they wanna mess around with it. Stop giving them the father them the girl putting them for beard. You know, the story where they said the apple in the Adam and Eve the apple is lusting and greed cast that, you know. So you see me a man we have beard a little baby. And he said look up walking fat up, you know, because most man that tempt them, you know. Me have some video where me sit down and me talk about my ear special. And me within and me look at tight them and me talk about any little thing. And this guy, name must say something like that tempo, one and one tempo or something that tempo. take down my video them and put it over in page on Facebook. And the amount of men reach out to me want if it's suck because it's fat. Some of them want to sucky. Some of them want to play with the tongue. Some of them want to do all sorts of something with it. Them all want to send them money, come give me and all them something. They just feel look at it. That's so pervert. Fat. Then start to pinchy. Then start using tongue play with it. Then start to rub it with them penis. Stop leaving the girl putting them with them father. Because some of them believe in us, them 15 daughter first before any other man. You have men that believe in that. See, them for christen them daughter first. Me know one man who wall and 3 daughter them when them got primary school. Me not call him name, I mean I call the pitney them name. And I hear say me attack. Him believe in I say him for christen them first before any other man do it. He did get locked up and they let him out back. So people, be careful. Teaching the kids them not to beg, not to go in front of people, go stand up and look. Because the people, some adults them don't like it. Me don't like it either. Because if me eat my food, I look up and come stand up in front of me. I saw me start look on him like I want croaky lizard. Yeah. Me I eat my food and pick come job, said I me. I said, excuse me please. Because I not gonna broke him. When you give it to him, he will continue go around and doing it. Some of them might say adults come off cold and heartless when we run them from front away and don't give them anything. But at least them will have like a shame and stop. When you push you and broke you and put in your mouth, it nah stop. Everybody in go front and walk up in mouth. Then push all in your mouth. Tell him to suck it. Broke on up it good, yeah? Be careful. And have children, if you can't be good, be careful. Because what you teach them is what they learn and them adapt it. They're gonna live it.
Welcome back guys. I hope you have watched the entire video. Now the voices of the people, you know, when we come out in large numbers, in many, I think the message will reach these people. They will obviously get the message. And as I said before, if we keep quiet, if we are silent, then we are the ones where the people will get hurt. We are the ones who are sleeping hungry. We are the ones who are, you know, struggling. These people are not struggling. They have a lot of money. They're getting money from these Western countries and they have money. Now, if we come out in large numbers like Jamaicans have done, this video has made me so proud. Seeing people come out in large numbers to try and tell the PM that whatever he is doing is not right. When people come out in large numbers and try to correct the system, it makes me so happy, because the voice of the people is always very strong. And if we come out in large numbers, then obviously they will fear and they're gonna change something. So the people of Jamaicans have come out in large numbers, you know, to try and correct the system. They're claiming that Andrew Holness has completely failed them. They trusted him with only one job, and that job is to protect Jamaica, to take care of Jamaica, to make sure that they are getting jobs, to make sure that they are well fed, to make sure that life is easy for them. But since he took office, he has made, you know, things difficult for them. And this happens even here in Africa. Especially, let me be specific, in my country. Now, we trusted this president of ours with, you know, everything. We took him to office, but since he joined office, you know, things have completely changed. Life has get more and more difficult. So it is always very disappointing, you know, when you guys, you know, choose a leader, trust him or her, but when he goes to office, instead of making things easier for you guys, he starts making things hard for everyone. It is always very painful. I can feel the pain of the Jamaicans. The same pain goes across Africa. Our leaders are just the same. They're just doing stupid things in offices. They're just lying to us. They have forgotten about us. And if we don't come out and express these things, then we will not get help. If we keep silent, that's why I like how that guy has explained in his video, that Jamaicans wake up. Do not be silent. Do not be afraid. Wake up. We need to speak. We need to come out in large numbers so that these people we know, so that they can know that we need change, and we need change right now. I did a video yesterday about Mia Motley. She was trying to talk about the unity of our leaders. If our leaders can unite, under the same cause, then we can really, really, really go far. Our leaders have become puppet to these Western countries to an extent that they don't want to work together. They don't want to work together. So they're just, stuck in these people's rules. They're just stuck in this, they're being controlled because they have been given money, and that money, they have used that money for their own benefits. They have forgotten the benefits of the people, the country, and now they have become puppet to these people, so they can do nothing to us. They cannot allow this unity thing. So if we can be united, then a lot can happen. So Jamaicans also have talked about how, Ibrahim Traore has done to his country. If our leaders can be like this guy, then we can be we can be on ways that, these people cannot even believe. But it's very, very sad because our leaders have chosen to become puppet to the West, and there's no way this gonna change. So they are stuck. They don't want unity. They don't care about the people. They're just getting money, 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 money. Corruption has become, the most, disturbing thing in most of African countries, in the Caribbean. Corruption is leading. Money, especially issues with money. Now you have heard in this case whereby the PM, used 22 million dollars, to feed people. And people are wondering, $22 million, that is way a lot of money. And they haven't even received this food. They are wondering, how many people did he feed with this money? But this is a tactic. They have this way whereby they will tell you that they use this particular money in this particular project. But in real case, they did not use the exact money. So they will tell you they used maybe like, 200 million. But in real case, they only used 5 million. So they will sign 200 million has been used to do this and that, this particular project. But in real case, they only used, 5 million. Yes, you'll see the project, yes, but they did not use the exact amount. So the remaining money, they just kept it and they used it for their own use. So that's one way they use to steal money, government money. It's a common way that, these people use. They will say they have constructed roads and they used this and that particular money, but in real sense, they did not use that money. So this is their way. This is their way of stealing our money. So big up once again to Jamaicans for coming out and trying, to change the system. It is us who gonna change the system. No one is coming to save us. No one. It's us and our leaders. We have to change the system by force, by fire. So I don't know what you guys have to say in the comment section about this video. Jamaicans coming out, trying to, to send a message to the PM. In the comment section, we can interact. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Until my next video, one love.